Hello, this is the Cobra MT40VX, which is a battery-powered multi-tool. This is basically just the power unit itself. There's no battery, no charger, no attachments, so you add those as you want them. And this is how it arrives in a box like this. So we're just undoing the box and we'll take it out and I'll just show you what it is and how to put the handle on it. So here it is, this is what's in the box. So first of all, we've got the owner's manual there. So that tells you everything that you need to know about this, how to assemble it, attach the various attachments that you can get there. So use that and keep it somewhere safe so you can use it when you need to. So all we need to do with this really is to attach this handle to it. So we would use it in that position like that. And this handle grips around there, around the shaft. So to do it, we just very simply take off the red end like that. It's hinged, so we can open that up and then we can see that it is hinged, so that will pull out and then that will hook around there. Don't worry if it falls out, because we just push that back in from the base through the hole and up through that one. So you just have to grip that one through it. Just line the holes up, push that through, and then we can tighten it on with that. And it's also got the lever on the base, so that gives us a tighter hold. It is adjustable a little bit if you want to, but we need to get it nice and square like that. And then this one here, we can lock that into place so that holds it nice and firmly there. So that is the handle. As I say, you can adjust that if you need to. If you've got this, you will already have a battery on another piece of Cobra equipment. So this is the 40 volt max plus battery that it takes. So you've probably got this on a mower or maybe a chainsaw or a lawn trimmer. So you can use the same battery. Obviously try and use it when it's fully charged. So we push the button there and that shows it's fully charged with the 4 little green lights. And it goes on the back here like that. So we can just slide that in and it clicks into place and we're ready to go. And to take it off, again, we just push the button and it slides out. So really, really easy. So these batteries are interchangeable between all of this range there. The only other thing we need to do is to attach the shoulder strap there, which is adjustable. So that's just to go over your shoulder, just to take a little of the weight. So again, this is really simple to attach. I'm just going to slide that to there. It is just clip on like that. So you take that on and off, very easy, and this will adjust to make it longer so you can put it over your shoulder. So I'll show you now how to fit an attachment. This one is a hedge cutter, but they are all the same. The procedure is exactly the same. So what we need to do first of all is take off this protective cap here. Save that, keep it somewhere safe, because we're going to put it back on when you take it off. The reason you need to, because this is the shaft in there. If that gets dirt or damaged, it will affect the running of it. And then line them up. So we've got it in line here and we've got the hole there with the shaft in it. So we just slide that into there and then we're going to give it a wiggle and a twist because the shaft is square and we've got to line it up with the shaft that is running down here from the power unit. So just a bit of a click like that. Won't pull out, so that is securely in, but just to hold it firmly in place, we can tighten this toggle like that, and that takes any wobble out of it at all. So it's then ready to use. When you want to take it off, we just reverse that. We just literally undo the toggle here to take the tension off, push this button down, and then just give it a gentle pull out, and there it is. And we pop the cap back on and store that away somewhere dry. So there you go, that is the multi-tool, very easy to assemble and to change the attachments, and you can do all sorts of gardening work around your plot.
Remember to register your Cobra online at cobragarden.co.uk. Always have your Cobra serviced regularly. Check the website for your nearest dealer.